Today I'm going to do the first song I ever learned on the guitar. It is Simon Garfunkle's Sounds of Silence. And I learned it really by plucking one string at a time. Hello darkness, my old friend, come to talk with you again. And then you add the second string, it's like this. And so on. And imagine my amazement when sometime later I looked at the sheet music and found that I had it exactly right. Proper key and everything. And that's why I do G chords like this. You see the position of my hands. That's not what they teach in most guitar lessons, but that's the way I like to do it. And I have seen other people play it this way. So now I'm not sure if I'll get through it correctly the first time or not. So there may be a jump before I start, but what's next is the old Simon and Garfunkel tune by Paul Simon, Sounds of Silence. Hello darkness, my old friend, come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. Turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sounds of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. Said I, you do not know, silence like a cancer rose. Take my arms that I might reach you, hear my words that I might teach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell, echoed in the well of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence. Made it. That's Sounds of Silence, written by Paul Simon, recorded by Simon and Garfunkel in 1965, I believe it was. Anyway, that's my first song on guitar ever. Now, next time, if all goes well, I'm going to do another Stones rocker. Every time I do Stones, especially rockers, I get lots and lots of views. So, okay, I will please my public. I'm going to do another one. I won't tell you which one it is in case I can't do it, and then I'll be back apologizing and doing some other wimpy thing. Anyway, until next time, if you like this, hit like, subscribe for Pete's sake, hit the bell if you want to know when I post something new, or subscribe, you'll be anyway. And anyway, whichever, I'll see you next time. Bye.